Are you gonna mow this one too? You should mow this. Yeah. Ay, pupunuin daw niya yung mga extra gravel na yan, ilalagay daw niya dyan. Hello, hello, Sita. What's that, honey? Where you going? Oh, yeah, that's nice. Oh, there's still some, grandma made some fire. Oh, that's really nice. Hello, MJ. Strawberry. Where's that? Okay, Jade, try. Kick. Where's Julene? Ah, kick. Kick hard. Okay. Ganyan siya, maglalaro lang siya mag-isa niya. So, kailangan linisin siguro doon. Linisin. Ah! yung masakit? Oo. Okay, Jilan. Oh, JD is coming. Kick! Ni mother! Naman kanya. Hala! You almost kick your grandma. Alin? Ayaw, alam na niya. Punky wood daw. Grandma said she wanna burn it. The wood. No, she's getting it anyway. Hala. Tinapon ni Habi, pupulutin ni mother. Go! Kick! Yeah. Seems like it's lowered now, huh, Jade? Did Daddy need to put it up? Daddy said it's lowered now. Ano na? Alin, ni matamaan ka dyan. Guys, be careful. Matamaan ka. Hello, Des. Ay, oh, grandma daw ni. Ready, set, go. Kick. Oh, wow, that's a strong kick. You're like gonna be Ate Dong. Smile nicely. La. She need higher, honey. It lowered down now. Well, it's lowered too low. So are you gonna the grass here, Annie, or no? Okay. Oh yeah, because there's strawberry here. Oh, where's we gonna put your swimming pool? Oh, over on the other side? No, but that's a nice grass. At least keep that nice grass there. Yeah. Put it here, yeah. Oh wow, that's a big one. Yeah. No, we did that one because we don't